I'm on my way to Hartford Harley Davidson. Apparently they have a event going on this weekend, so I'm gonna slide by there, see what's going on with it, see what's up, see if we can get some good footage. They're supposed to be having some bikes, some used bikes going for sale. So they got some going for under 10 grand. So hey, if you get a chance to stop by there and you're in the Hartford area, you know, in Connecticut, then stop on by Hartford Harley Davidson, you know, see about getting you on some tools. But I ain't gonna hold you up too long with this segment. I'll be back once we get to the location. Alright, peace. So here I am at Hartford Harley Davidson. Everything's just now kicking off. Got here a little early this time. Mommy, if I sound nasally, because my allergies are kicking my behind right now. But let's see what they got. Two artists out here doing their thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
He did a little event in front of you guys. No.
Got seeds. I'm really feeling my honeycomb look. I like the honeycomb look. So I'm here at the Harley Davidson in Hartford, and right now I am with
Jennifer French.
And their organization is the
Bikers Against Animal Cruelty.
Alright, so what is it that you guys do for your organization? What is it that you guys work on?
So one of the main things we do is offer financial support to the treating veterinarians of animals who are ownerless, who've been victims of cruelty and neglect. We help with a lot of places who need supplies like, for shelters, if they need food, if they need blankets, collars, leashes, mostly food. We help with people who work with feral cat colonies to get them supplies, and we try to educate the public on what animal abuse and neglect is, because sometimes it's unintentional, you just don't know until you know better, and sometimes it's just really awful. There's a lot of cruelty cases out there, so we try to help offset all of the organizations who do that on a daily basis. There's a lot of amazing people out there, and we try to help support whatever they need whenever we can.
Okay. Are you guys just here in Connecticut, or?
So we are. We're based out of Connecticut. We do have some members in other states, but primarily we're based only in Connecticut.
Okay. And viewers, I would definitely get you guys, information if you want to reach out, whether you're here in Connecticut or you're in another state and you want to know about it, or you want to volunteer or donate or something. It's nonprofit.
Yep, we're completely nonprofit. No one's paid. We're all volunteer. Almost every penny we get goes to help these animals, and we're really proud to say we have really low overhead, and we've got amazing support. So yeah, we make sure our donations go to wherever they're most needed. Thank you.
All right, y'all. Let's see if we can get y'all some more content out here, and I will get that information for you guys. I promise.
Hey, we didn't ride today, but that's okay. You know what I'm saying? Weather's a little shaky right now. It's gonna be thunder and lightning later, so don't come for us, alright? Y'all don't know me, I'm on my bike. So don't come for me today. Hey, we gonna enjoy these festivities, hopefully get some good food, and hopefully I don't get copyrighted because the band in the background, but hey, we out here. You heard?
Let me see if I can clean this camera off right quick. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna call the video here. I got me something to eat. I'm about to bust that down because I'm hungry. It was a great turnout. As you hear, everything is still going on. But yeah, I'm out of here. See y'all later. Shot will fly out. You heard?